Hello there, and welcome back to another exciting video. If you stick with me for the next 10 minutes or so, I'll not only show you how to do it, but I'll also show you how to grow it and start making even more money. You don't need a website, you don't need a credit card, and you can do it from anywhere in the globe. And this is going to be one of the most interesting videos you've ever seen on how to make money on the internet. So without further ado, let's get started. In this video, I will show you how to make money online with these top 3 apps. It is free and available worldwide. It also pays with PayPal. You can start making money right away with this free website that I'm about to explain to you. And you can put it up on autopilot to create even more revenue. You'll also discover how to increase your productivity and potentially earn more money. So make sure to watch the video until the end to help you earn passive income. But first, don't forget to like this video and let me know in the comment section if you enjoy learning new money making strategies so that I may continue to share new ways to make money online. I'll tell you all you need to know about the first app now, without further ado. MoneySMSApp.com is the name of their official website, but as I previously stated, you can use it on your mobile device, so we'll just install it directly to your smartphone. It's quite straightforward because it's simply an app that allows you to earn money online by receiving SMS texts generated by their system and clients. You can do it with just one hand, and all you have to do is download the app and create an account on your phone. Because you already have an account set up, you can expect to receive random communications after that. Here's another plus for this website. It's free. You are not required to answer to any of those communications because they are of no value to you. Therefore, delete them as quickly as possible. You will be compensated for each SMS you get, even if you delete the texts. To summarize, you do not have to do any labor because you merely create an account. Set aside some time and wait for the text to arrive. You'll be compensated for each SMS you receive. On their website, you can learn more about the technique and how it works. But pay attention to the fine print because this one can only be used on an Android smartphone, whereas the app is compatible with both iOS and Android. It can only run on Android smartphones, which means you can only generate money with an Android handset thanks to Android's capability that allows the system to read SMS texts. By the way, I did a lot of research on this app and the amount of favorable feedback is astounding. People are ecstatic and the way they're making money is straightforward. You should also not be afraid because this website is completely safe because it only reads SMS messages sent by their own system. It will never see your private messages, login information, or other personal information. And it doesn't end there. Users are also delighted with the overall system, which is controlled by an automated system. There's also a referral program where you can tell your friends and coworkers about the app and encourage them to download it. That's excellent since it means you'll get 30% of the money your referrals make. Let's say your friend that you recommended earned $100. You will be paid $30 or 30% of that. This will go on until your days are done. The software is, once again, entirely free, and you will never be charged for it. Simply browse to this website and look around to see how things function. Simply follow the procedures I mentioned to sign up for automatic SMS messages, and you'll be paid right away. Let me show you around the website's user interface. This is how the dashboard will appear when you go to download the app. Your referral code would appear after that, which you can share with your friends and coworkers. You're probably wondering if this app is real or if it's a ripoff. Don't worry, you can check the app's legitimacy by looking at the proof of payments received by many users. Go to their website right here on their page to discover if the app is genuine. Implements the essential and applicable measures and interventions to ensure compliance with the most recent GDPR privacy policy standards. All you have to do is to go to the website and learn everything you need to know. As I previously indicated, I've conducted substantial research to ensure that this website is usable by you. Another option to make money while you sleep is using the following app I'll show you. CashMagnetApp.com is the name of the website, and it is exactly what it says on the tin: a cash magnet. Unfortunately, the software is only available for Android smartphones, but stick with me and watch until the conclusion of the video because the last app I'll discuss is compatible with both iOS and Android devices. Stay with me and watch the video till the conclusion because I have a surprise for you utilizing your Android phone at the end. You can make money every minute without doing anything tough, just like the original app. But before we continue, don't forget to like this video, click on the subscribe button and hit the notification bell to get notified whenever I post a new and exciting videos about earning new money-making strategies online. Cash Magnet generates a list of the finest rewards programs to play based on this information. We're just working our way up from the bottom to the top, starting with the app that pays the least and ending with the app that pays the most, because Cash Magnet will pay you significantly more money than the SMS app, because it only requires you to play games and watch amusing adverts. This software is really simple to use and gives you with a whole new level of enjoyment and happiness. You can start earning money as soon as you download and install the app. As a result, you may be able to make more money quickly and without exerting too much effort. Install the app, then leave your phone alone to earn money while you do other things. To boost your revenue, you can use as many devices as you like. If you just keep doing it every day, you can still make a lot of money. As a result, after a few months, you should anticipate to earn several times more. Users have been overjoyed with their Cash Magnet experience because they have already been able to acquire products that they have long desired. If you download the app and follow the steps I just described, you can join the tens of thousands of other users who are enjoying it. Also, don't worry about the app's security. Your personal information will not be used in any way, ensuring that this app is completely safe and secure to use, and it is, of course, free. All of the apps I've mentioned are completely free to use and can be used at any time. You will not be required to pay any fees or make any payments. You've already learned about ways to generate money with these apps where you don't have to do anything. Simply turn off your phone and wait for it to do its task. Passive income has an unmistakable allure. Now I'll tell you everything you need to know about the video's final app. Simply by listening to your favorite music, the program will pay you up to $600 every year. This app is unrestricted and can be used on any device. Because both of the App Store and the Google Play Store are available on iOS and Android, it's possible. Simply download the app to your device and listen to your favorite music to earn points. Listen to music because the more songs you stream, the more points and money you will earn. To put it another way, you're being compensated for listening to music whenever you want. Find and listen to your favorite music while getting paid by browsing and navigating the program for over 100,000 radio stations around the world. Overall, you won't have to sit through some random music you found on SoundCloud that you don't care for if you use this application. Instead, you will be able to listen to music that you like while still getting paid. Since music is such a popular pastime these days, I'm sure you listen to your favorite tunes on a frequent basis. Even better, with this app, you can now get paid to listen to music every day, earn points by streaming songs, and spend your points on your favorite brands, among other things. What's even better about this app is that it's available in so many countries that you can simply download it to your smartphone wherever you are and start earning money while listening to music right away. If I haven't mentioned it yet, the app's name is Current.us, and you can learn more about it and how it works by visiting their official website. You may download this software from both the Google Play Store and Apple App Store, so you can use it on any device you have. And that wraps it up. That is exactly how to make money online with these top 3 apps. I hope you found this video helpful. Please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to the channel with notifications turned on so you won't miss any part of the video. I appreciate your undivided attention and I hope to see you on the next one.